How to share TikTok videos on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can share TikTok videos on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you need to open up TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you land on your For You page, now you have to select the video that you would like to share on Snapchat. For example, I have this video right here. Now, if you wish to share this video on your Snapchat, tap on the share icon at the bottom right corner. Once you see this kind of interface, there is option with a bunch of menus such as repost, messenger, Facebook, Instagram, direct. So you have to swipe that menu bar to your left. There you have an option to share it on Snapchat. So tap on Snapchat chat. Now you can share this video on Snapchat. So in this way you can share TikTok videos on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.